Hello and welcome to Cardiff for the FAW Trophy Round 5 draw. With us to do the draw today, Mr Mark Jones, the Port Talbot Town manager, and on my right, Mr John Harris, the chairman of the FAW Domestic Committee. There are 16 teams left. They're still split into north and south. The first 8 balls drawn will be from the north, and some numbers to look out for. Number 1 are Holywell Town, the 2011 champions, and number 2 are Glan Conwy, the 2010 champions. So Mark will draw the home clubs.
Number 1.
And that's Holywell Town.
Number 6.
And they'll play Brumbo from the Welsh National League.
Number 5.
That's Llanberis.
Number 4.
And they'll play Carnarvon Town.
Number 2.
That's Glan Conwy.
Number 8.
And they'll play Denbigh Town. An all Welsh Alliance clash.
Number 3.
That's FC Nomads of Connors Quay.
And number 7.
And they'll play Boris Park Albion. And now for the southern draw, some numbers to look out for there. Number 6, Kilvey Fords, who knocked out the last year's winners, Surrey Sports, on the weekend.
Number 7.
That's Cwm and Llantwit Welfare.
Number 8.
And they'll play Machynlleth.
Number 3.
Is Tonningelly, a home draw at Ynys Park.
Number 1.
And they'll play Trewin Stars from the Welsh League.
Number 5.
That's STM Sports, who beat Aberbargoy Buds in the last round.
Number 2.
And they'll play Davern Welfare from the Carmarthenshire League.
Number 4.
Is Ragged School.
Play number 6.
And they'll play Kilvey Fords. And that concludes the draw. Those ties to be played on Saturday the 12th of January.